Trading apps right on mobile phones have captured the attention of a new generation of investors. Tonight, one young man in Brooklyn explains his strategy after he moved to more traditional platforms. Here's Nicholas Dominique in his own words.
Starbucks was my initial. That was like one of my first investments going in fall 2018. My portfolio beginning in Q1 of 2020 was looking like it was going very high. Probably around 30 to 40%. And then the market downturn in March, where I pretty much had the massive sell-off. I lost pretty much around, I would say around $7,000 or $8,000. Now that the COVID era is starting to be understood and the market is starting to anticipate a full recovery, some say it might be a V, some say it might be a square root. But since then, I was able to pretty much double my investment. The lockdown pretty much enabled me to be able to do much more deep dive research on each particular company I was interested in. What made me be able to turn around or flip my investment from a -1 to positive, I actually was able to minimize risks that are unnecessary and starting to strengthen my risk management when it comes to investing.
Nicholas has a strong stomach, losing $7,000. There's proven market psychology that it's way more painful to lose money and then, stick with it and ride it to the upside if you have the stomach to do so.
I just want to congratulate Nicholas and all the investors of his generation. And I would say that they are actually benefiting from being in ahead of a huge market drop like that, more so than they're benefiting from a massive rally. You don't learn from your winners. You think you're smarter than you are. You really learn from living through a period like February, March, April, which it seems as though Nicholas was able to do. So take those lessons, never forget them. You've got a lot more lessons to learn, but that's a big one.
Especially when you've got a situation where it's a pandemic. I mean, nobody saw that coming.
The pros are having as much trouble as Nicholas and all of his friends are.
Right.
Don't get it twisted. Everyone is facing the same levels of confusion right now. It's not easy no matter who you are, how long you've been doing this.
You are not alone, Nicholas.